Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to fix TikTok sound remove. So to fix this problem, you'll have to open your TikTok application first, then go to your profile, just tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen as well. That one, then click on settings and privacy. And then from here, you just have to scroll down and look for the report a problem option. That one. Okay. And then now, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Okay. Okay, just wait for a few seconds and then click on submit a report. This one. And then here, you just have to type out this. Okay, I want to be able to fix TikTok sound remove on my video. You can just copy this whole sentence that I have wrote here. Okay, then right after that, you just have to click on submit. And after that, you just have to wait for a few days or wait for the response of the from the TikTok Help Center. And that's it. That's how you can fix a TikTok sound remove. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.